Hello my friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Elaine and today we're doing the next prompt for Junk Journal July 2025, which is field notes. And I'm going to be honest with you, Aunt Flo is visiting me at the moment, so I'm not really feeling it. I'm not really in the mood to do too much, so we're going to do a simple collage today because I still want to journal. I still really enjoy journaling. I just don't have I don't feel very creative. My head is a little bit fuzzy and tired, so we're just going to do something kind of simple. I'm just going to pick out some papers that make me think of field notes, some writing, some sketches of, if I can find like insects or animals or something from nature, and we'll make a little collage. I was thinking about making butterflies the main specimen of my field notes because I have had butterflies come up quite a bit already, and it would be nice to tie everything together. And also there seems to be a lot of butterflies outside my windows today for some reason. So that is what I'm going to do, and we'll just start. We'll just get into it and see where we end up by the end. I guess our field will be the sea. And I picked out this one because it just has the word field on it. So I want this one here in this corner, and then this one over it. And I ended up tearing it a little bit short, but I think we'll add some more things anyway. We'll just make this a big splash of collage elements. And when I glue it down, I think I won't glue down these edges straight away, just so that I can put things underneath them and give me a bit more room to move. Maybe I'll just put a piece of this underneath this. That's actually the rest of that. Sure, I may as well add that on. Maybe we can add something interesting there. You could paint in there in gold or something. That might be interesting, like is it Japanese pottery that's fixed with gold? We could do that with our paper. So we'll use the brighter gold just for fun. I feel like I use the bronze metallic gold or the Winsor Newton one a lot, so this should be just something a bit more interesting. Yeah, I quite like that idea. I might add that into more spots. I know one of the prompts near the end, I think it might be the very last one, yeah, is gold. I've used so much gold. This paper, whatever type of paper it is, it has this kind of recycled paper kind of feel to it, and it tears quite easily, but I quite like that. I like how it gets roughened up just from applying the ink. So that is cool, and I think we'll add the ink or the gold just up there. So for this side we have our seahorse, which I love. I love the seahorse. Let's cut it down. We cut it to there. And we might just add some more gold. Lovely. Okay. Now I do want to keep this field thing in it. Will I cut this straight? Shoot, I attempted to cut it straight. And maybe we pin this on. Maybe create a little cluster. I think I'll make this a bit smaller. Maybe I'll stick it to the back of it actually, and we can pretend we're making a little notebook. Okay, so I have these like cards for J.W. Field from New Hampshire. We'll pretend This is his field note pages, and he was studying the ocean. Should I add a butterfly page? Probably wouldn't make much sense, but I do really like these. There's some lovely pages in it. This one is cool. It is like a study of a butterfly. I could attach these together and make it like a little book, say just there, that we can flip out like that to read. Now, I think I might curve the edges on these just with my punch for putting the curved corners on. Just because I think it will give it more of a notebook look. We'll do 7. Close to the edge as possible. That was too close. Then I'm going to put washi along it then to create a kind of spine. Washi has little sketches of moths and butterflies and some writing, so it goes nicely with our theme. Fix the mistake I just made. And add glue and then stick it down. I'm gonna have to add another layer of washi to just keep it down. It's not sticking very well. We'll just add a small bit. Because it was a little bit wobbly, and then I want to add some ink to this because we don't want that stark whiteness. It just doesn't blend properly with the rest of the page. Okay, that's better. Okay, so this is what we have for field notes. We have J.W. Fields' little notebook here, and his notes and his studies of some butterflies and some sea life. So there we go, that's it for today's spread. Thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you in the next one.